in America. Bobi Wine's family lives in America. They only visit Uganda. So anybody who is trying to fool me, ladies and gentlemen, I suffered in people power. My blood, I shedded my blood here in this very market, Remonau all, and my blood does not go for nothing. Me, I'm not Jesus. My blood cannot go for nothing. I can assure you, I am not Jesus. Bosmic Otim is an actually low boy. I am not Jesus. My blood cannot go for nothing. I don't want to see Bobi Wine and Noob in northern Uganda and other parts of Uganda.
Thank you.
As I summarize, I have to tell you this. I am not stopping Bobi Wine as a civilian coming to Gulu. I am not stopping Bobi Wine as a Ugandan coming to Gulu. In Gulu, our hospitality is so high. We receive and welcome everybody. But when you are coming to Gulu, Bobi Wine, don't come as a politician who is coming to confuse our people. Come to Gulu as a fellow Ugandan. I will receive you. But Bobi Wine, Mr. Bobi Wine, when you try to come to Gulu as a politician who has always confused the youth, making youth get arrested and killed, I will deal with you. Bobi Wine has got no police and Bobi Wine has got no army. I can handle him. This I can promise you. Kai temu PMK Bosmic, abi balowi. Wunlo noob, mauti Gulu. Utamani ubi rugu tok mayam ara ya kilo. Abi go tiri tieja lugweri.
Before the 12 work, me chuk me dit, we dog what yet will look and work me the show, and look and work me core. Near Martin will give up a man. Now, ye, Bosmic Otim. You may be looking at my penny or my Berkatima union in the peer area we are bitching. No, what is the covenant life? The covenant on the wood you know, the low, be a meal corporate, the chain, be a mat coming or be a cham deck minoro, and in the peer area we are bitching. If you never Bosmic live, if you never Tangaro, if you never way, but a little Roy, Jerry Quera. Dama do it. One more woman take it. DJ with you.